Ever wondered what's the latest update on SpaceX's Starship Flight 3? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of SpaceX and its ambitious Starship project. Since its inception, SpaceX has been pushing the boundaries of space exploration, and the Starship project is no different. This colossal spacecraft stands as a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of the stars. If you're not already familiar, the Starship is a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans and cargo not only to the International Space Station, but also to the Moon, Mars, and potentially even further. So far, SpaceX has conducted several high-altitude test flights, each one a step forward despite some explosive outcomes. These trials are crucial in ironing out the kinks and paving the way for the success of future missions. And just recently, there's been a significant update on the third Starship flight. From new hardware developments to the much-anticipated launch date and complex fuel transfer processes, there's a lot to unpack. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the most recent developments. Before we dive into the latest update, let's take a quick look at the Starship Project. The Starship Project, helmed by SpaceX and its visionary CEO Elon Musk, is a bold endeavor aimed at revolutionizing space travel as we know it. The project's mainstay, the Starship rocket, is designed to be fully reusable. This is a game-changing concept in an industry where most rockets are one-time use only, contributing to high launch costs and extensive debris in space. SpaceX's Starship seeks to disrupt this pattern, and in doing so, significantly reduce the cost of space travel. Imagine, if you will, the cost of launching SpaceX's Starship rocket being less than $10 million within a span of a few short years. That's the ambition Musk has expressed. And it's not just about cost-effectiveness. It's about making space more accessible. This isn't just a project about building a better rocket, though. It's about a broader vision for the future of humanity. Musk envisions the Starship aiding in missions to the Moon, enabling hypersonic travel on Earth, and perhaps most ambitiously, facilitating the establishment of a settlement on Mars. This is not just about exploration but colonization. The Starship project is, in essence, a stepping stone to turning science fiction into science fact. The Starship is part of a two-part system, the upper stage of which is launched into orbit by the Super Heavy booster. This fully reusable system could drastically change the way we approach space travel, making it more sustainable and economical. Now, with this understanding, let's move on to the latest updates. The heart of every successful space mission lies in its hardware. Let's explore what SpaceX has in store for Starship Flight 3. The heart of the Starship Flight 3's hardware is the Super Heavy rocket and the Starship lunar lander. The Super Heavy rocket is a beast of a machine designed for strength, durability, and functionality. It is the most powerful rocket ever made, surpassing even NASA's Space Launch System. The Super Heavy is the workhorse, the heavy lifter that propels the Starship into orbit and beyond. Built for reusability, the Super Heavy has seen significant improvements since its last flight. It is designed to return to Earth after launch, landing vertically like the Falcon 9. This revolutionary approach to rocket design is a cornerstone of SpaceX's mission to make space travel more affordable and accessible. The Starship lunar lander, on the other hand, is the vehicle that will touch down on the Moon's surface. This is where the astronauts will live and work during their lunar mission. It's a complex piece of equipment tailored for the harsh conditions of space. The lander is designed with state-of-the-art life support systems, cutting-edge communication devices, and advanced navigation systems to ensure the safety and success of the mission. From previous flights, SpaceX has learned valuable lessons and made necessary adjustments. The hardware for Starship Flight 3 has been refined, tweaked, and improved for better performance and reliability. Every bolt tightened, every wire checked, every system tested, all in the pursuit of perfection. This commitment to continuous improvement and innovation is what sets SpaceX apart. It's an approach that has allowed them to overcome challenges and achieve remarkable feats in space exploration. And with the Starship Flight 3, they are poised to take another giant leap for mankind. With these hardware updates, the Starship Flight 3 is gearing up for a promising launch. Now, let's talk about when this remarkable mission is set to take off. The launch date for the third Starship flight is a topic of much anticipation and speculation. However, as is often the case with ambitious projects of this scale, timelines can shift. SpaceX, the visionary company headed by Elon Musk, has a reputation for pushing boundaries and timelines in its quest to make space travel more accessible. While we don't have a precise launch date for Starship Flight 3, We do know that SpaceX is working tirelessly to make it happen as soon as possible. Yet it's important to remember that this isn't a race against time, but a pursuit of perfection. Each delay, each rescheduling is a testament to SpaceX's commitment to safety and success. It's not about getting there first, it's about getting there right. This mission also represents a critical collaboration between SpaceX and NASA. These two titans of space exploration are working hand in hand to meet the ambitious target dates. It's a partnership that combines SpaceX's innovative technologies and NASA's decades of experience and deep knowledge. However, as we've seen with previous missions, there are many variables at play. From weather conditions to hardware checks, every detail must be meticulously examined to ensure a successful launch. And while these checks can sometimes lead to delays, they are integral to the process, ensuring that when the Starship does take off, it does so with the highest chances of success. Despite the lack of a concrete date, the excitement around the launch of Starship Flight 3 is growing with each passing day. The world is eagerly watching, waiting for that moment when the Starship takes to the skies, marking another significant step in our journey to the stars. Though the exact timing is unknown, the anticipation for the launch is palpable. A vital aspect of this mission is the fuel transfer. Let's shed some light on this. You see, fuel transfer is a fundamental concept in space missions, particularly for long-haul voyages. It involves the transportation and transfer of fuel from one spacecraft to another in the void of space. This allows for missions to go beyond the limits of their initial fuel reserves, paving the way for more ambitious explorations. Now, how does SpaceX plan to execute this for Starship Flight 3? Well, the plan is to use multiple Super Heavy Starship flights. These flights will carry the necessary fuel to the Starship, which will be in orbit, waiting to be refueled. This process is crucial because the Starship, once fully fueled, will have the capability to venture further into space, even reaching destinations such as the Moon or Mars. The number of Super Heavy Starship flights needed for refueling is significant. It's not just a simple one-off operation. Each flight carries a portion of the total fuel needed. So, multiple flights are required to fully fuel the Starship. These flights will be carried out in quick succession, ensuring the Starship has the fuel it needs to complete its mission. This innovative approach to fuel transfer could be a game-changer for space travel. It allows for longer, more ambitious missions and opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for exploration. The Starship Flight 3 mission is a key step in this process, and we'll be watching closely as SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We've delved into the intricacies of the Starship Project, a venture aimed at revolutionizing space travel and making it more accessible. We've discussed the hardware updates for the upcoming Starship Flight 3, showcasing SpaceX's relentless pursuit of innovation and improvement. We've also pondered the launch date, with its potential to mark a significant milestone in the annals of space exploration. We've examined the novel concept of fuel transfer, a testament to the ingenuity and forward-thinking approach of SpaceX. These updates represent more than mere technical details. They embody the spirit of exploration, the thirst for knowledge, and the bold vision of a future where space travel becomes a part of our everyday reality. The Starship Project, and specifically Starship Flight 3, is a beacon of progress, a symbol of human ingenuity and determination. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, we can only wait with bated breath for the launch of Starship Flight 3.